Hi, my name is Gene Williams with Avlex Incorporated. We're here in the InfoComm show, and I would like to talk to you today about the MIPRO MA-708 powered portable PA. This PA comes on wheels, as well as has a USB, SD card, and Bluetooth receiver built in. You'll see there's also a wireless receiver. You can choose to add a wireless handheld or body pack to it, as well as some analog inputs. It charges with a regular IEC cable and of course is pole mountable. These products are now here in the United States. They are easy to use, great for all sorts of applications, classroom, house of worship, outdoor parties, whatever the case may be. For more information, please visit us at avlex.com, where we have this, many different other portable PA and products from MIPRO. Again, Gene Williams with Avlex. Thank you for your time.